Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken easily in slap battles. First, you need to understand that obtaining this powerful glove involves a specific sequence of actions. We will cover the initial requirements, the challenge itself, and how to effectively use your new ability. This step-by-step guide will help you unlock the Kraken with minimal effort, ensuring you can quickly dominate the arena with its unique power. Let's dive in. Your journey to the Kraken begins with acquiring the fish glove. This essential prerequisite is unlocked by accumulating 2,500 slaps in the game. Simply play regularly, engage in battles, and slap other players to increase your slap count. It's a straightforward process that lays the foundation for the more advanced challenge ahead. Focus on consistent gameplay to reach this milestone efficiently. Once you have the fish glove, equip it and head into the main arena. Your next task is to find the deep sea portal, which typically appears near the map's edges. Entering this portal will transport you to an underwater obstacle course. You must successfully navigate this course, avoiding hazards and reaching the end before the timer runs out. Precision and quick reflexes are key here. Congratulations! After successfully completing the deep sea dive, the Kraken glove will be immediately unlocked and available for use. This powerful glove grants you the ability to pull other players towards you, making it excellent for strategic plays and eliminating opponents. Practice its unique power to master its range and timing. With the Kraken in your arsenal, you'll be a formidable force in any slap battles match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.